Conduct of free and fair elections is the foundation of the democracy so that voters can elect the representatives in a free and fair manner without any influence. The election process consists of preparation of voter lists, conduct of elections by deploying polling and counting manpower, and publication of results. Though election process is elaborately documented, its implementation in the given election time span is a big challenge due to enormous magnitude of work. TePOLL is conceived by the Election Commission of Telangana in technical collaboration with Centre for Good Governance to provide an innovative solution. TePOLL has helped Election Commission to conduct free and fair elections in January 2019 for 12,751 Gram Panchayats, 1,13,354 GP wards with 1.6 crores voters using 1,40,642 employees without major complaints, court cases or grievances. The entire process is completely rule-driven, transparent and efficient. TePOLL e-governance solution is web-based and also on mobile app. It is implemented in a very short span of 4 months. TePOLL covers major domains of preparation of draft and final voter lists for Gram Panchayats, online nomination of candidates, downloadable voter slip for all voters, randomization of polling and counting persons, publication of results, EVM management, expenditure monitoring, and innovative dashboard. Manual process is prone to errors in preparation of voter rolls, voter slips, and randomization of polling personnel, leading to complaints from the political parties and voters. Also, manual preparation of the electoral rolls used to take 10 to 12 days of time, and the government had to allocate sizable funds and manpower. Election machinery's time was mostly spent on preparation of rolls, thereby losing focus on grievances on various activities which are equally crucial for the success of elections. TePOLL has reduced the electoral rolls generation time to 30 minutes compared to manual process of 10 to 12 days. Through the enormous reduction of data discrepancies in the online electoral roll, the right to vote to the citizen is ensured. There is a drastic reduction in the workload of district and field level officials and Election Commission. The enhanced reach of online draft and final electoral rolls provided enough time to the political parties and voters to approach authorities for rectification of errors. Voter slips are provided for mapping the polling booth and easy identification of serial number in the voter list. Political parties provide voter slips to voters which can influence voters. Election Commission through TePOLL has provided online voter slips on its website and on the mobile app. The complete voter slip process is made fast, reliable and transparent. It also reduced the transaction cost and information asymmetry among the stakeholders. Achieving true randomization of polling personnel was a big challenge due to multiple constraints of geography of work and nativity, gender consideration, and distance of travel for this machinery to polling and counting booths. The proximity of grassroots political party workers with the polling officials in some cases led to allegations and counter-allegations of bias. TePOLL is providing rule-based randomization of polling and counting personnel without giving a chance of manual intervention and hence ensuring total transparency. It also generates individual and team orders, saving enormous time. Telangana State Election Commission, Panchayat Raj departments, district collectors, and block and GP officials have used TePOLL real-time dashboards, MIS reports, and data analysis for effective decision-making and monitoring during the Gram Panchayat elections up to the grassroots level. Real-time dashboards have put the SEC in commanding position for tracking all processes of huge magnitude. An innovative IT module of face recognition was also tried in order to counter impersonation by the voters on a pilot basis in 10 polling stations. The impact of TePOLL was felt by 1.6 crore voters, all political parties, district and commission officials. It has completely transformed the election processes for highest order of reliability, efficiency, and trust. Now contesting candidates can file their nominations, affidavits, and expenditure details online. There is a drastic reduction in the workload of district and field level officials, and they have time to handle the grievances filed by the voters and political parties. On the other hand, citizens are now feeling digitally empowered, check their updated information from the online voter list, and can download voter slip during TePOLL mobile app. Center for Good Governance is pioneer in providing e-governance and m-governance solutions on the latest technology platforms for the Government of India and various states in the country, which worked 24/7 for development and during election period to ensure complete success.
It's a wonderful software, wonderful application which has helped all the stakeholders, the contesting candidates, the political parties, the officials involved in it, and the press, and people in general, and the voters more than anybody else. The voters are the biggest beneficiaries because they could, as I said, their electoral rolls were perfect first. The information transparency was there. The voters could even download, parties could download, contesting candidates could download electoral rolls and also the voter slips. Then finally, the results. Because all these consciences, 130,000 consciences, when results are declared, it is promptly known all over through the TePOLL software. So all in all, it's a wonderful software, helped everybody.
TePOLL has received E-India Awards in December 2018. Telangana Democracy Award was given by Honorable Governor of Telangana for recognizing the services of CGG in January 2020 for the innovative development of TePOLL in record time for Gram Panchayat elections in January 2019.